Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. This is where we discuss ceiling fan history, trivia, and technical information. Today we're going to talk about the Casabella fan company. And if you've heard of Casabella fans, it's most likely because you saw one of my videos of a Casabella fan that I found. At the time, I didn't know what it was. In fact, I think in my first video I referred to it as Casablanca. Let's learn about them. So, the Casabella fan company was founded in 1980, making two models, an ornate model and a plain model. The plain model had a faceplate similar to a key largo. The ornate model is the faceplate you see on my fan. Casabella bought parts from other fan companies to assemble their own fans. Most commonly they bought from Casablanca and they bought from Sunbeam. In 1981, they started providing fans to Riccar. Riccar was a sewing machine company. They sold to a network of sewing machine dealers. These sewing machine dealers wanted to offer fans. So Riccar reached out to Casabella and said, can you provide us with fans? We need a high-end line and a cheaper import line. So in 1981, Casabella started providing them with their American-made fans, and they also started providing them with imported fans, which were all relabeled SMC products. In 1982, Casabella was officially incorporated in the state of California by Gerald Craig Victors. In 1983, Casabella fans show up in ads. Sometimes the picture looks like a Zephyr, sometimes it's an ornate stencil-bladed thing. Both of the pictures are of four-blade fans. In 1984, Casabella has tax issues, and Riccar officially buys them out. In ads, Casabella fans appear to be relabeled SMC Emperors and something that looks kind of like a National. Now, in 1984, fans start showing up under the Riccar name, because again, Riccar officially bought them out in 1984. And the Riccar-named fans are four-blade stencil. In 1985, Casabella fans show up as relabeled SMC Emperors. In 1986, Riccar fans show up and their picture is of a spinner, but the description says five-blade. Casabella named fans still show up, but they are clearly relabeled Homesteads, which is interesting. In 1987, once again, Casabella fans are relabeled Homesteads. In 1988, Riccar labeled fans are GE Vent 5-blade imports, and also in 1988, Riccar was bought out by Tacony. So, what was Casabella fans became Riccar fans, and under Tacony became Regency fans. So actually, the origin of Regency Fan Company is of Casabella fans. I had no idea. That was the big reveal for me in this video. And I might do a Workbench video on Regency and Tacony in the future. I'm not sure. I have to see how much there is to learn. I did hint at them, I think, in the Emperor video because there was a different Regency fan company, and I did try to look and see if they were connected in any way. Couldn't find anything. So we'll see what happens going forward. If you want to make sure you don't miss any updates like that, then please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to listen for them rather than watch for them, you can do that on any major podcasting platform, anywhere podcasts are sold. Anchor, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, anybody's podcast from the Workbench. Dan Spiffy Newman Ceiling Fans should be there, and we're able to do cool things like that because we have a cool sponsor, and that sponsor is Fanstick. Please buy Fanstick.